On Draw Stuff today, requested by Mo Baines, we are going to draw a severed hand, but let's not talk about it. Let's do it. You are going to need a pencil, a pen, and an eraser. And we use the pencil to sort of plan out what we're going to do. And I'm going to start by drawing kind of an ellipse there. And we want a line coming pretty much straight down like that, and straight down like a parallel, but then we want to bring that in, and that's going to be the thumb. This will come forward a little bit and that's then going to come down there like that, and then this is going to be the first finger. That bit that will curve around into a little curve. It's like a bracket really, and another one coming up to there, and then across. Then we want another finger coming out there, very similar. That will come out there. It's got a little bracket kind of thing there. And again, another one coming out there. And we're going to see that sort of curving up there. And then this one is just going to kind of, the little finger, the pinky, is just going to kind of hide away behind there. And then the wrist is going to go up there. Like that, and where it gets severed. Now we can do some inking it in, and I am going to start around about here, I think, and it's kind of like a an S kind of shape, and then I'm going to start here. I'm going to do 1, 2, just 2 little dots, just to give it a bit of fading away kind of shape, and then that kind of curves around there, and this, it's like a little bracket shape. If you do maths, you probably do brackets all the time. And then that's going to come around like that. And then here we want kind of 1 and 2, and then carry on, and then down here it's going to curve around up into this kind of bracket. That will go off to there. 1 and 2, and we can come to here, and then that will come down, and that will just kind of hide away behind the middle finger. And then we can bring the pinky just sort of up like that, and then we can draw the wrist coming up there, and where it's been severed. Now fingernails are really difficult things to draw, so we're going to do like a little curve coming up there, and then a curve going across like that. See how that works. So we've got curve, 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 and then a curve that way, curve that way, curve that way. Not too bad. When you are absolutely sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase all those pencil lines, and no one will know how you planned it all out. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line in behind here. So that's going to be the edge of the table. Now we got this kind of line here on the thumb, so I'm just going to kind of draw that across there. We don't really see the thumbnail because that's hidden behind. It's a very weird thing to draw. It's not easy. And these are going to be the knuckles, and then we can maybe put a couple of little dots in there for these kind of lower knuckles. I'm sure they have a proper word. And then I think we can probably do a bit of, blood and guts on the end here, and maybe some bits, sticking out like that. If you're feeling a bit squeamish, then you're the one that clicked on the video that said how to draw a severed hand. So you must have had a rough idea what it was going to be about. So this is some blood spurting out like that. So these are little kind of teardrops, and then leave a little bit of white for the shininess of the blood. I'm going to draw some shading here, and this will really help to put the hand on the table like that. And when we want some shading coming in behind the thumb there, and I think we might want a bit in, just sort of in around there as well. And then we might want to have some kind of blood spatters around the place as well. Blah, like that. If you enjoy drawing, you know, you can get finished images, help sheets, stuff like that. And you can support this channel on Patreon. Click the link up here. I think this hand will look a little bit gangrenous and green, and the blood will be a little bit red. There you go. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Draw Stuff Real Easy. Click down here, and in the meantime, keep drawing, drawing, drawing. Practice, 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 and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.